Yeah, it's gonna rain, baby. Do you hear the thunder? No, I don't want to get all wet. Maybe Ronnie. There's Ronnie.
Wait! I got me! Wait! Wait, got me! Mommy, go!
Hi, Ronnie. Ronnie. Roxy. Aw, my pretty girls. Roxy. They can tell it's about to rain. You hear all the birds?
What's that?
It's a bird. Look at the dark clouds. Ooh.
Oh, got me!
Yep, it's about to rain. I think I can hear it.
Oh, no! I get off it!
You know we're about to have to bolt inside. Levi. Yeah, the worms will get wet. That's okay. They like to be. I think you should put them in here. Put them back in the mud. If you don't put them in the mud, they're going to go night-night. You better put them in the mud. Or do you want to put mud? Why don't you put mud in there? That might be better. Where are you going? Okay. You got it?
What that? What that?
Thunder? That was lightning. Let's go. Bye-bye, rain. We'll take those in. That's why I have them up there. We're going to bring them all inside. He doesn't know I'm about to sell half of them. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. Ooh, that was a big raindrop. Let's go.
Mommy did it.
Yep, I'm going to get them.